All right, let's pick an ABUS. So I'm just going to use a shutter tool here as my tensioner, just the right size to fit in the lock. And single pin picking with a hook. Let's see here, see if I can get it to focus. There we go. Medium hook. And I'm just working from my way from the front to the back. Pin 1 is all floppy. Pin 2 had some tension on it. Pin 3. Pin 4. Back to pin 1. I'm just going to let it reset here real quick. Might have overset one of those. Let's start at the back this time. Got a little false set there. I think it was on 3. Pushing up 1 and we're open. Minute 20. There's the bidding. So yeah, even though it's German and old, it's still not that difficult to pick. Now we're going to start getting into some of the harder stuff. This one's a little bit more difficult. I think it has 1 security pin in it that's serrated. This guy is got a couple security pins in it, and it's just really hard to get a grip on. Like, tensioning it is difficult. And then, lastly, we'll do this one. I haven't even picked this lock yet. I've yet to defeat it. It's an ABUS 7440. Some pretty mean bidding on there. But the real problem is this keyway. I don't know if you can see that, but it is quite difficult to get a pick in there. I might need some thinner picks.